We're going to look at a basic introduction to arithmetic sequences. Arithmetic sequences go up or down by the same number every time, either adding or subtracting. So this sequence is going up by 3s every time, which means it's an arithmetic sequence. Just to get used to some vocab and notations, the term number is usually denoted as n, and then the value is a sub n. So for example, the fourth term is 14 because you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the fourth term. So when n is 4, a sub n or a sub 4 equals 14. The common difference, d, in this case would be 3, what it's going up by. So if we were going down by 3s, it would be -3. And there's two formulas that you can use for arithmetic sequences. You could think of an arithmetic sequence almost like a linear equation, where if you were to graph it, we have 1, 5 as a point, 2, 8, 3, 11. It looks linear because it's going up by the same number every time. So if we were to write a linear equation for this, we could say f of x equals the slope, which is 3, it's going up 3 over 1 every time. 3x, we'd have to count down 3, left 1 to get to the y-intercept. So subtracting 3 from 5 to go back 1 would be 2, so plus 2. Writing an equation for that arithmetic sequence, it's going to be really similar. A sub n equals your common difference, that's like your slope, so 3n, and then your 0th term, that's like your y-intercept. So your first term is a 5, so we have to count back the common difference, we have to go -3, and we get 2. So that would be your formula for this arithmetic sequence. Write the formula for the following sequences, then find a sub 20. We can write a sub n equals the common difference, which is going up by 7 every time, 7n plus your 0th term. So going back 7, 5 minus 7 is -2. So that 0th term would have been a -2. So we could write that as 7n minus 2. For the next one, we're given the first term and d is -7, so it means it's going down by 7s. So if we wanted to find the 0th term, we want to do 11 plus 7 to go backwards, which is 18. So that's -7n, your common difference times n, plus 18. And then let's find a sub 20. That's just asking for the 20th term. So at the 20th term, what's the value? Well, you can plug 20 in for n. So if we just do that with number 2, a sub 20 equals -7 times 20 plus 18, which equals -122.